Hi guys, it's me, EASManifoldWX, and in this video I'm going to show you everything from my trip in DC and at the hotel that I was at. So this radio, during the entirety of the time, weather's off, was on 162.550 megahertz on station KHP 36, which is from Manassas, Virginia, or Independent Hill, Virginia. Depends on where you look for the location. Then this radio is on 162.450 on NWG 736 from Washington, D.C. Here's how the video is going to look. First, we're going to get a bunch of pictures from DC. Then I'm going to be attempting to get radio stations DXing. Then we're going to get the EAS that I got while here. And then other stuff that I feel like putting in is after that. Goodbye.
Behind this boundary, weak high pressure will build in from the north Wednesday and Thursday. As a low pressure system, mostly 68 degrees. At Winchester, fair. 4. At New York, fair skies. 71. At Philadelphia. The pressure was 30.05 inches and rising. Days 2 through tonight. Lows in the lower 60s. Highs in the low 20s. Saturday, more likely. Lows in the upper 50s.
Hi guys, it's me, EASManifoldWX, and we'll be DXing well in DC. So firstly, this one.
Airport.
Channel 5,
Temperature 61 degrees.
KHP 36. Nothing channel 1. Nothing channel 2.
Humidity was 77%.
Channel 3. This took a second to
Winds were
refresh.
south at 6 miles an hour.
And that is
Barometric pressure was
WNG 736.
1,020.
That's a station. Dang, that's cool. Is it Philly? So it might be the Philadelphia station. Chai 20. That's cool. Channel 5, nothing. That was cool that it came to Channel 4. The Channel 4 that's closest to me is currently off the air. Channel 6, nothing.
At Philadelphia.
That one, sure. That could have just been, they might have got the, Channel 4 online.
At Pawtucket,
So we're going to do my outside now. Channel 3, WNG 736.
4.
Channel 4, as you were seeing, we were getting something. Nothing. It might have just been bleed over from a station 2.
5.
Channel 5, nothing. 6, nothing.
7.
7 is KHP 700.
All reports are current as of 7 a.m. and are measured
36.
6. 5. 4. 3. 2.
Channel 2, nothing.
1.
Channel 1, nothing. Okay, that's it for this part of the video. Goodbye.
To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. 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 This is This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Hazard Station KHB36, broadcasting from the National Weather Service Office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz from an antenna located in Manassas, Virginia. The 4 p.m. observation in
WXG736, broadcasting from the National Weather Service Office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.450 megahertz from an antenna located in Washington, D.C. Now for the 1983, broadcasting from the National Weather